Hello my dear students, how are you all? Hope all of you are fit and fine. Welcome back to your maths class. In today's class, we are going to start our next exercise, exercise 6b of chapter multiplication. Our first question is multiply 83 by 17. First of all, we will multiply 7 by 3 and then we will multiply 7 by 8. Okay. Now 7 3s are 21. So we will write this one here and 2 is carried over here. Okay. Next we have to multiply 7 8s are or 7 8 7s are. 7 8s are 56. 56 plus 2 58. Okay. When we have to multiply with the next number or digit, then we will mark cross here or 0. Then multiply 1 3s are 3. 1 8s are 8. Now add these two numbers 1 0 1 8 plus 3 11 11 1 is carried over here 8 plus 5 13 13 plus 1 is 14. Our answer is 1411. Okay, let's do C part of question number 1. In this question we have to multiply 3 by 4. Next we will multiply 3 by 6 and then we will multiply 3 by 8. Okay, 3 4s are 12. So we will write this 2 here and this one is carried over here. Now 6 3s are or 3 6s are 18. 18 plus 1 19 and we will write here 1 because 19. We will write this 9 here and this one is carried over here. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. Next we have to multiply with the next digit, that is 4. 4 4s are 16 and 1 is carried over here. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. 25 and 2 is carried over here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 2 34. Now we will add these two numbers. 2 0 0 9 plus 6 15. 1 is carried over here. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 1 is carried over here. 4 plus 2 6. 6 plus 1 is 7 and then 3. So our answer is 37,152. Okay, let's do E part. In E part also we will multiply 5 by 8. 5 8s are 40. So we will write this 0 here and this 4 is carried over here. 6 5s are or 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 4 34. So we will write this 4 here and this 3 is carried over here. Okay. Next we have to multiply 5 4s are. 5 4s are or 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 3 23. So we will write this 3 here and 2 is carried over here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Next digit is 2, from which we have to multiply. 8 2s are or 8 6 2 8s are or 8 2s are is 16. So we will write 6 here. In 16 we will write 6 here and this one is carried over here. 6 2s are or 2 6s are. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we will write this 3 here and this one is carried over here. Okay. Next is we have to multiply 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. Next is 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now add these two numbers. So our answer is 0. 4 plus 6 10. 1 is carried over here. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 9 plus 2 11. 1 is carried over here. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Our answer is 61,700. Okay. Let's do next question. Second A part. In this part we have to multiply 32 by 12. You can easily multiply if you know the table of 12. अदरवाइज यू कैन मल्टीप्लाई बाय वन डिजिट. आप चाहे अगर आपको आता है तो 12 के टेबल से डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कर दो. अदरवाइज अगर नहीं आता तो जैसे फर्स्ट नंबर जैसे 2 से 2 को 3 से, देन उसके बाद मैं उसी मेथड से आपको करके बता रही हूँ. 2 2 जा 4. नेक्स्ट 2 3 जा 6. Next we have to multiply with the next number or digit. Here is 1. 1 2 is 2 and 1 3 is 3. Now we have to add these number. 4 0 0. 6 plus 2 is 8 and 3 as it is. Okay. So our answer is 384. Let's do C part of question number 2. Here is 6 0 0. When we multiply 0 with any number or number with 0, then we will get 0. जब आप किसी भी डिजिट को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो नंबर को, या 0 से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, आपका आंसर क्या आता है 0. ओके. 6 6 जा 36. नेक्स्ट 1 0 0 and 1 6 जा 6. Now we have to add these numbers. 6 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 6. Next 6 plus 3 is 9. So our answer is 960. Okay. First of all, do you know what is this? What it is called? जिस नंबर से हम जिस नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई किया जाता है, what it is called? It is called multiplicand. It is called multiplicand. And from which number we will multiply? जिससे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, इट इज कॉल्ड, किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं 12 से, सो इट इज कॉल्ड मल्टीप्लायर. व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? मल्टीप्लायर. नेक्स्ट द आंसर, व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? द रिजल्ट ऑफ दिस मल्टीप्लीकेशन, व्हाट इट इज कॉल्ड? इट इज कॉल्ड प्रोडक्ट. इट इज कॉल्ड प्रोडक्ट. इन सी पार्ट ऑल्सो it is called multiplicand, by which we will multiply. It is called multiplier and the answer is called product. Okay. Here 79 is multiplicand and the 17 is multiplier. Okay. Now we will multiply 9 sevens or 7 nines are 63. So we will write this digit here and this digit is carried over here. We will write, always we will write ones place digit. Okay. Next we have to multiply 7 sevens are. 7 sevens are 49 and we have to add 6. So what we will get? 55. Okay. Next we have to multiply by 1. So 1 nines are 9, 1 sevens are 7. Next we have to add these numbers. 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 5 or 5 plus 9 is 14 and 1 is carried over here. 7 plus 5 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So this answer, it is called product. Our answer is 1343. That is 1343. Let's do question number 3A part. In this part we have to multiply 76 by 23. So first of all we will multiply 3 by 6. 3 6 are 18. So we will write this 8 here, that is ones place digit here, and this 1 is carried over here. Okay. Next 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 22. Next we have to multiply by 2. 6 2s are 12 and 1 is carried over here. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1 is 15. Next we have to add these number. 8 plus 0 is 8. When we add any number to 0, then we will get the same number. Okay. So 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. 5 plus 2 is 7. And the 1 is here. So our answer is 1748. Let's do C part. Okay. In this part 76 is the multiplicand and 23 is the multiplier and the answer is the product. Let's do C part. In C part 84 is the multiplicand and 45 is the multiplier. So start 5 4s are 20. So we will write ones place digit here and the tens place digit is carried over here. Okay. 8 5s are 40. 40 plus 2, 42. Next we have to multiply with the next number, that is 4. 4 4s are 16 and 1 is carried over here. 4 8s are or 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 1, 33. Now we have to add these numbers. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 6 is 8. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 3 as it is. Okay. So our answer is 3780. That is our product. It is called product. Next is we have to multiply 90 by 73. When we multiply a number with 0, then we will get 0. Okay. और अगर आप किसी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो या 0 से किसी भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, then you will get 0. Next you have to multiply 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now we have to multiply with the next number. So we will write cross here 7 0 0. 9 7s are or 7 9s are 63. 0 7 plus 0 7. Next 3 plus 2 is 5 and 6. So our answer is 6570. That is our product. Okay. Let's do question number 4, A part. Here we have to multiply 123 by 11. When we multiply a number with 1 or when we multiply 1 by another number, then we will get the same number. अगर आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो किसी नंबर को या नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, तब तो आपका आंसर क्या आता है 0. अगर आप किसी नंबर को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो या 1 को नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो, then you will get the same number. That is, जिससे आप मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो आपको वही नंबर आता है. Okay, let's see. 1 3s are 1, 1 3s are 3 और 3 1s are 3. Next 1 2s are 2, 1 1s are 1. Next we have to multiply them with the next digit, that is 1 here. Again we will multiply 1 by 3. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2 and 1 1s are 1. Now we have to add these numbers. 3 plus 0 is 3, 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. So our answer is 1353. Here 123 is the multiplicand and 11 is the multiplier, and the answer is called product. Understood? Let's see. Let's do C part. We have to multiply. Multiplicand is 234 and the multiplier is 15. We have to multiply 234 by 15. 5 4s are 20. So we will write this 0 here and this 2 is carried over here. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 1 is carried over here. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Next we have to multiply with the next number. So we will write here 0 or cross. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. Next we have to add these numbers. 0 plus 0 0. 7 plus 4 is 11. 1 is carried over here. 3 plus 1 4. 4 plus 1 is 5 and 2 plus 1 is 3. So our answer is 3510. Here 203 is the multiplicand, 15 is the multiplier and 3510 is the product. Okay. जब आप 0 से किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो क्या आता है आंसर 0, और 1 से अगर आप किसी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हो वही सेम नंबर आता है. Okay, let's do E part. 412 is the multiplicand and 19 is the multiplier. Now we have to multiply 9 by 2. 9 2s are 18. So we will write this 8 here and this one is carried over here. 9 1s are 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So we will write this 0 here and this one is carried over here. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 1 is 37. So we will write 37 here. Okay, because there is no another digit here. Next we have to multiply with the next number, that is 1. 1 2s are 2. 1 1s are 1. 4 1s are 4. Now we have to add this number. 8 plus 0 is 8. 0 plus 2 is 2. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 3 plus 4 is 7. So our answer is 7,828. That's our product.